First thing you're going to do is preheat the oven to 300 degrees. And you're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. And then we start mixing the granola. Alright, in order to start the granola's liquid part, you're going to take a blender or one of those ninja bingo things. You're going to put a half cup of water, a 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. You're going to use 1/4 cup maple syrup, and 1/4 cup all natural, organic, only peanut butter. And you're going to blend it until it's smooth. Once that's blended, you're going to take a larger bowl. You're going to put 4 cups of rolled oats, pour in the peanut butter blend, and mix well. This is the base recipe. Of course, if you want to add raisins or peanuts or other types of dried fruit or nuts, feel free to do that. But no chocolate chips, because the chocolate chips will melt in the oven. Okay. It's all mixed up. Now we're going to take that parchment covered cookie sheet that we covered earlier and dump it out onto the parchment. That beep was the oven saying it was fully preheated. Now just spread it out evenly on the parchment. Okay. Now you're going to put it in the oven at 350 for 40 to 50 minutes. Okay, and then once your 40 or 50 minutes are done, you're going to turn off the oven and you're going to let the granola cool all the way down until it's completely cool before you take it out. So we'll see you when that's done. All right, it's been taken out of the oven and cooled, so we're going to put it in a dish. At this point, as long as it's completely cold, you can add chocolate chips, M&Ms, certain dried fruits that you wouldn't have otherwise wanted in the oven. So you can make it into either a granola or a trail mix. I like to add my stuff when I go to eat it, so I'm just going to put it in there just like that. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Try the recipe out and let me know in the comments how you liked it. And see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.